So it is. You hear nothing from them people.
No. No, until they say something will rest for my mind, brother. That's why I'm not too comfortable. You see it? I hate me there and mates.
But it maker. Still have to govern the ground same way in a bad man. So I know how you feel no way about it. You hear that?
Vicious. We have to change your lifestyle. Remember, you just get back your youth in your life. Me have Ashley. You see me butcher all the way up a business to run same way. You see, you can't live the same lifestyle, brother. And that we are run from. I wonder if you help us.
Real meds, you know. Forward from butcher side and see dog do some work in our studio. Nah, like me love it, look. So we have to just continue doing conscious things, them, you see it?
Yeah, vicious. Just pray that everything. You see, anyone ever misbeset them with that real quick. Just pray it, bro. You throw away that in a lock up right now. You see me? You don't even know what go on for the youth. We get stabbed if him dead or him alive, same way. You're over, bro.
Real talk, you know. Really can't violate them order, you know, my friend. Because them always give you blind, you hear that?
Yo, you see the contract thing there? I hate if you focus on. I link Butcher and make him know what go on to.
Yeah, you know, say dog that tell me say you for short him still. I say anytime I reach over here, say you for short him, you know, short the dog and see what I deal with it.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I short them. No, I get you thing, bro.
I get to him. Why I want to tell you say more time all the next work I give problem to you know, I short him and see what I deal with it. Straight voicemail, you know.
I wonder if you walk over there.
Hey, no simple something that man. Could make a move no bad man.
Hey, bad man.
You alright?
Some sort of way, you know, boss.
Kinda understand how you feel.
Boss, I rate the youth them, you know. That's why I always talk to them.
I feel the same way in a whisper. But remember, nobody is above the law.
But I can't understand. The man them around them business. Vicious just get back him son. Why the man them would have pray for get involved in them thing?
It's because them in the badness so long. It's hard to come out of them system.
Oh, this is a wake up call for them.
Well, if they don't learn from this, they'll go learn again.
Can I expect a call from Hittis anytime soon?
Yeah, man. We're prepared for it already. I'm gonna ask you something. You not keep your uniform shirt at the house?
No, boss. I keep it at the office in my locker.
Okay, just a check. We know you don't want Patsy buck up on that.
Should have woke up on it already.
How's she doing?
She alright, you know. You have to just get used to her mood swings, you know?
Yup. Just prepare yourself for that.
Boy, boss, you're not telling a lie. You're new to me.
No worry, you get used to it. So, she there home?
You know, some of the things she reach home, I want to reach home before I still, so we can just change off her clothes and change me.
Me not pry still. But what is going on with you and Celine?